Yeah, that's right.
Hello there! Welcome back to the wonderful world of Wingin-It! This one is going to be a little bit of an intro to what we're doing. It's for a bloke we know, kickboxing. His name's Benjamin. He probably hates being called Benjamin, but we'll call him Benjamin anyway. He does bike racing and a Kawasaki Cup, something like that. Kawasaki League, I don't fucking know, bikes, isn't it? Racing, I don't know. But Alan is out there working on the bits, but he keeps going a bit of a bender when I put the camera on him. And he's got the radio up, so I can't have it out there because I keep getting copyright claims, even though I'm using their music from the program, which is bollocks. But there's all the bits. Full fairing set, tank. They're all green at the minute, but apparently they've changed the rules. They've changed the rules about what colours you can have, so he's changing it up. The only bit he's got to keep green is a little bit on the front to keep with a Kawasaki what's it. So we're going to start repairing these, get them in primer. There's a few colours going on. I won't show you the little drawing he's had made up yet. I'll get it all painted, get it together, and then unveil it at the end. And he can whip the blanket off and go, "Oh my God, that looks amazing! I want to straddle it and ride it." I'll have a little walk out here. I'll put some background music on, like elevator music, and you can have a little look. Come on. Doing that, I'm in here sorting out the balls up that we've had on a transsexual transit van. I think it's the third time we painted it. Let's go through it. It was in for bumper corner, front bumper, and it had a big dent down here in the door, so it was repaired, primed. Both bumpers come out cushy. This is all painted, and then not from here, but from here you can see a really light shadow going down here. So I said to him, cook it off, we'll buzz it off, paint it again tomorrow. Came in, rubbed it down, it was all dry. He's put the first coat of base coat on, and all round here all crinkled up and shriveled, and all this already had base coat on it, so we had to rub the whole door down, prime it all. I'll see if I can stick a photo up if I'm clever enough, and then we done it in water base to avoid any reactions, and it had a little bit of patchiness through here, and then some bubbles come up here like blisters. So I've tried blocking them, and they were moving, so I got to picking them, and it all come off. Turns out the original coat of solvent wasn't dry, so that's all been pretty much back to bare metal there. I've primed it, it's all good to go. It's been lamped for hours and hours. No doubt the electric bill is going to be about 400 quid this month. It's normally about 300. but we've been a bit lamp happy this week and last week. So I'm just about to chuck another coat of water base on this, and then some shiny shit, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll do. Forgot to mention, Benjamin, who we're doing the bike for, his name of his little racing doodah is Vamptech Motorsport, as in as in vampire, Vamptech. Instagram, Facebook, go and check him out. Give him a little likey, little pokey wokey in the bum hole. That's what you're into. If anyone wants to sponsor him, I'm sure he'll be glad of that. He says he's really good at riding. He looks really pretty on the bike. Go and show him some love. I'll stick a link up maybe. Ready, Al? Ready for a bit of talking? He just wants to show off his Pro XL. Is it a body warmer or a gilet? Oh, I've got side fairings, a few bits of filler here and there. And where they've been, looks like they were brushed with some green fucking enamel paint, whatever it is. These two are ready to go, ready for a bit of primer. Side bones just need a couple of bits of filler rubbing down, they'll be ready for primer. And the seat cowling is all ready apart from a couple of bits. Can't really tell you much more because I can't tell you what colour they're going yet. Silver content. I said to Alan beforehand it's going to be a bitch of a colour, and this is what I struggle with any colour like this, silvers, is just knowing if it's me, if my eyes, if that's going to be patchy or not, if it needs drying more, if it needs more drop coats, ain't covered. I don't know. I'm from a commercial background, painted big white 40-foot trailers, double-decker buses, all solid colour, so I'm still learning with metallics. Now if anyone's watching and knows what they're on about, I'm no good at colours. Right, have a look. I don't know if this will be able to pick it up properly, but there's cloudy, darker spots. I mean, I could lacquer that and it would look alright, but then I'll probably lacquer it and it'll be patchy as fuck outside. You probably can't see it, there's a bit of a... No, this ain't going to pick it up. But there's little streaks down it. And I'll get to this point and I think, well, that's covered. Do I just drop coat it a couple of times? Will that help? Will it make it worse? But that's where I'm at paint wise. Got a polishing cam on, haven't I? Fucking geek. Who wants to watch polishing? No one. You're watching it anyway. with me, lesbian seagull. Colour's pretty good, edge to edge. Repair's good. Minimal wobble. Wibble, wobble, wobble. They're all quick, aren't they?
No, that one in there says low. Did you say low?
Big Al's going to chuck some 2-pack primer on these. I think we're going with white.
Yeah, one says fast and then one just says panel white. We're using panel white. So it doesn't say.
For this episode, I can't show you any colours going on until Ben's done his unveiling himself. I don't want to take that away from him. So at the minute, whatever you're seeing is the bits getting repaired and primed, maybe prepped again. Just so lucky. But the next videos will be all recorded and edited ready for after he's done his unveiling, and then I'll stick these on. So you're probably watching it afterwards, but it's recorded before, so I can't show you until then what we've done before. If that makes sense. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one.